Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make tuna salad with crackers. First, gather your essential ingredients like canned tuna, creamy mayonnaise, and crisp celery. Remember to drain your tuna really well to avoid a watery salad. Then, finely chop your celery. This ensures a great texture and crunch in every bite. These simple steps lay the foundation for a delicious and easy meal. Now that your ingredients are prepped, it's time to bring everything together. Gently combine the drained tuna, mayonnaise, and finely chopped celery in a mixing bowl. This is also the perfect moment to add your seasonings. A pinch of salt, some fresh black pepper, and any herbs you love will elevate the flavor. Mix everything until it's creamy and perfectly combined. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more easy recipes. Speaking of simple paths, on another note, I highly recommend The Simple Path to Wealth *. It's a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money and investing. You can find the link to the book and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. With your tuna salad mixed, give it a quick taste test. Adjust the seasonings as needed to achieve that perfect balance of flavors. Once it's just right, serve your fresh and delicious tuna salad immediately with your favorite crackers for a satisfying snack or light meal. If you have any leftovers, simply store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for later enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.